All right, good Thursday morning. Today, a quiet day, cold and cloudy, and a good day to get things done ahead of the storm. So tomorrow, a mess. Total weather alert all day long, a flood watch, a high wind warning, a coastal flood warning, and then after all of that, a flash freeze where everything turns to ice Friday night and Saturday morning. Let's break it all down for you. There's a flood watch for the pretty much the entire southern half of the state, out east too. 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected tomorrow. That's on top of the snow that we got last weekend, and then there will be snow tonight that switches to rain tomorrow morning up in the mountains. It'll be all rain at the coast. And then let's talk about the other threats. There's a difference between the flood threat from the rain and snow melt to the coastal flood. That's an astronomical high tide coming in at 10:16. That'll cause splashover and some minor flooding. And out offshore, there's a storm warning, and seas will be 17 to 22 feet. All in all, this is a windstorm. That's the big primary threat. The gusty winds will go 55-mile-an-hour winds to 65 plus at the coast, especially mid-coast areas. Inland areas, 45 to 55-mile-an-hour winds. That's enough to knock out power. Our power outage index indicates a high threat for power outages across the coastline. So charge them up, folks.
Exactly. Today is the day to really get ready for all of that mess. That's what I'm going to call it.